Hello everyone! For those who don't know me, my name is Kate and I'm a graphic designer and illustrator. In today's video, I'm going to paint a watercolor Mother's Day illustration. Mother's Day is still a little far away, but I've prepared it for those who need it. I'm going to make Mother's Day card with this illustration. I made a coloring card template, so if you are interested, please see the download link below and then make your own Mother's Day card. The first that we are going to paint is the background of arms. As you can see in the upper left corner, I'm going to paint a big hug illustration. So the arms going to be heart's arms. I mixed a little bit of light peach and lots of white and a little bit of light pink. By using the tip of the brush, add a little peach on the hands and then blend it. I'll paint the girl's face, arms and legs by using the same way. Next, I'll paint the girl's hair. For the hair, I mixed the golden brown and umber brown. Now I'm going to paint the background of hearts. At this point, I'm going to paint same way that I paint the hair. I mixed the rose pink and magenta. It's time to paint clothes. I'm going to paint clothes in the mint color. The hair and backgrounds are warm tone, so I chose the mint color to give contrast. The paint on the background is Holbein acrylic gouache. I'll add a link for those who are interested. for watching, and I hope you had fun with my watercolor painting. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again.